installed these 4 ZOOKKIs here, illuminating the way to the hot tub, and you know, while you're getting in and out, so it should be safe. They should be motion activated, but then be dark the rest of the time. So let's take a look at it tonight and see how it looks. Okay, as I said, we're going to check out these lights at night. I do have a little exterior lighting, so it's not pitch black, so you can see what it looks like. So this is what that walkway looks like without the lights on. And I put these motion sensitive solar lights. How cool is this? Look at that. Look at that. That is now the walkway. That is ridiculously cool and perfect. And I like that they don't stay on a real long time, so that we could hang out in the cool hot tub but not have it be like daylight. So overall, woo, that's bright now. Okay, overall I'm going to say these are definitely a 5 out of 5.